Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Introduce myself. My name is Nur Azizah Ramadhani. I'm a student at UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta in the Mathematics Education Study Program. My student ID number is 11230170000106. In this video, I will discuss quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is a polynomial equation, multiple terms whose highest power is 2 or order 2. One example of a quadratic equation is like this: 5x squared plus 6x plus 10. General form of square equations. The following is the general form of a quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A is the coefficient of x2. B is the coefficient of x. C is a constant. X is a variable whose value is unknown and satisfies the quadratic equation above. Next, constructing square equations. The square equation is divided into two. The first is compose a quadratic equation if the roots are known. Suppose the roots of the quadratic equation are x1 and x2. To get the quadratic equation, we can substitute the roots into the following equation: parenthesis x minus x1 parenthesis x minus x2 equals 0. The form of the equation above is the result of factoring a quadratic equation. Secondly, draw up a quadratic equation if you know the sum and product of the roots. If there are roots of a quadratic equation, they are x1 and x2. If all we know about the problem is the sum and product of the roots, then to get the quadratic equation, we can use the following formula: x squared minus parenthesis x1 plus x2 x plus parenthesis x1 times x2 equals 0. Or x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0, with x1 plus x2 equals b over a and x1 times x2 equals c over a. Next, solve square equations. The solution used to determine the value that satisfies the quadratic equation is obtained when the result of the substitution is equal to 0 and is usually called the root of the equation. Usually, there are two roots of the quadratic equation obtained. There are three methods used to determine the root of a quadratic equation. Here, I only discuss factoring. How to factor? Factorization is changing the addition of algebraic terms into multiplication form. This method is used by changing the form of a quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 become parentheses px plus s parentheses qx plus r. Here, I will give you questions and how to do them. Question: Mrs. Devi is making a pond next to her house. While the pond is designed in a rectangular shape with an area of 12 square meters. The width of the pond is 4 meters, less than the length of the pond. Several ornamental plants will be placed around the pond and a distance of 2 meters. How many decorative flowers are needed? Answer is noun LK or pool area equals 12 square meter. P or long equals x. L or wide equals x minus 4 meter. LP or rectangular area equals P times L or long times wide. There, it is known that the length equals x and the width equals x minus 4 and area equals 12 meter. Then, when combined it becomes x times parentheses x minus 4 equals 12 meter. Multiplied by this number produces x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Then factorate x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Parentheses x minus 6 parentheses x plus 2 equals 0. X minus 6 become x equals 6. X plus 2 become x equals minus 2. Here, I take x equals 6. Continue by finding the width. X changes to 6. L or wide equals 6 minus 4 meter equals 2 meter. Followed by finding K of the circumference of the pool with the formula K equals 2 times parentheses P plus L or long plus wide equals 2 times parentheses 6 plus 2 equals 16. How many decorative flowers are 16 over 2 equals 8 decorative flowers?